get myself in position because I'm still in the Jeep, but my house is coming along pretty quickly. Alrighty. On a spooky speedway, monster trucks moan, monster trucks grumble, monster trucks groan. Can you see the monster trucks? Frankentruck is first to arrive. With a jump of his cables, he's alive! He's alive! Werewolf Truck croons a gravely tune. First a screech, then a growl, and then a howl at the moon. Next up is Zombie Truck. Headlights glow green, dripping in diesel. He's cranky and mean. Then out of the shadows, Ghost Truck appears, rattling his axles and grinding his gears. Vampire Truck is toothsome and cruel. He waits for his victims and drinks down their fuel. Up goes the flag, each rig takes its place, ready to rumble in the monster truck race. On a smoking speedway, monster trucks tow, monster trucks rev, monster trucks go. It's a monster mashup. Clang, boom, bash, bang. Every truck from himself by piston and fang. When out of the pit with a putt and a toot comes a little blue bus looking perky and cute. On a smash-em-up speedway, monster trucks sneer, monster truck snickers, monster trucks leer. The cackling monsters lick their drops for some lunch. She's a meal on wheels to this frightening bunch. I'm not scared, toots the little blue bus. Hope you monsters are hungry. You'll be eating my dust. Over rugged terrain with a heave and a hoe. And a spin of her tires and a ready, set, go. The little blue bus chugs down the track. She buries those monsters and she doesn't look back. Hoping you can all see these pictures because they're pretty cute. On a squealing speedway, monster trucks thrash. Monster trucks thunder. Monster trucks crash. Then up from the rumble, one truck burns a trail. He's mad and he's thirsty and hot on her tail. Who is that? That's the vampire truck. But the little blue bus has a trick up her hood. She slams on her brakes and locks them up good. Vampire truck takes a bounce off the wall. Spun out and sputtering, he rolls to a stall. Can you guess who's in front when the checkered flag falls? the little blue bus. She's got gumption and pluck. How did she do it? Well, there we go. Whew. We'll just call it luck. All right, my friends. I hope you have a great day. Remember, we're going to